Hello, good morning. Myself Dr. Poonam Dugje. Today we will discuss about subject cell biology. In the cell biology chapter 8th chapter cytoskeleton. Here the cytoskeleton is the subtopic is the microtubules. So here discuss about first of all cytoskeleton. What is cytoskeleton? Cytoskeleton a system of filament or fibers that is present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. So the other constituent of the cell is maintain the cell shape, and it's responsible for the locomotion of the cell itself and the movement of various organelles within it. So the interior of the cell has a meshwork of proteinous filament. So the here there are three components of eukaryotic cytoskeleton. First is the microtubules is the large diameter, and the microfilaments is the smallest diameter. Microfilaments is the smallest diameter, microtubules is the large diameter, and the intermediate filaments. So these filaments have very different functions. So first is the microtubules. In the microtubules, the cytoplasm of the most eukaryotic cells contain two type of very cylinder and fine proteinous thread-like structure called the microtubules. Microtubules have the large diameter, and the microfilaments have the smallest diameter. So its main function is the production of cell shape and the motility. So first is occurs in the microtubules occur in the cytoplasm, and its structure occurs either in the form of bundle or the sheets. So the bundle may consist of few as two or three to few hundred microtubules. As few as two or three to few hundred microtubules. So see in this structure here the different types of fibril structures in nerve cells. First is a see in parallel line tube-like structure is the microtubules, and here the microtubules here the 13 protofilamentous. See in the TS of the microtubules showing the 13 protofilamentous forming the wall of the tubules. And next one is the neurofilaments is the dark in color is the neurofilament, and its fragment or the small diameter is a microfilamentous. In another fragment or the another remaining part is the microfilaments. Here the microfilaments have a small diameter, and microtubules have the large diameter. Got it? Then next its structure. Microtubules are long hollow cylinders with 210 to 250 angstrom and diameter, and several microns in the length. So here the wall thickness is the 50 angstrom, and the hollow core is 150 angstroms. So here the two bits like structure thickness protofilaments is made up of linear series of globular protein called the tubulin, and the unit arranged like string of the beads. So here the size of each unit is 50 by 40 angstrom unit. Actually, tubulin is the dimer composed of two similar but not identical polypeptides. Two similar but not identical polypeptides. So the subunit are called alpha tubulin and beta tubulin with molecular weight of the 55,000 to 57,000 respectively. So amino acid compositions of two subunits are similar, and the alpha and beta tubulins unit are arranged alternatively in the protofilaments. So the tubulin unit are arranged in helical manners with beta tubulin molecule per turn of the helix. Here dark in blue color is the alpha tubulin monomers, and light sky blue color is the beta tubulin monomers. Is the image of microtubules. In this microtubules, see uh, long hollow cylinder made up of many molecules of protein tubulin, and tubulin consist of two subunits, alpha tubulin and the beta tubulins. Here the diameter is 25 nanometer, that is the 250 up to 250 angstrom diameter. Is the large diameter microtubular is a large diameter, and microfilaments is a small diameter filaments, and the microtubules are the large diameters. So see Its location, microtubules found in the cytoplasm of both animal and the plant cells at 7 various sites. First site is the cilia and flagella. Here it contains 11 longitudinal fibers and 2 central and 9 peripheral. Then each microtubule is hollow cylinder composed of 13 longitudinal protofilaments. And the 9 peripheral fibers are doublet microtubules appearing like a figure of 8 in transverse sections. So next one is the centrioles and basal bodies. The wall of each centrioles consists of 9 peripheral fibrils. Each fibrils is made up of 3 subfibril fibers or microtubules called A and B and C. Here the A is subfibers is complete and tubular, where the B, E and C are is the incomplete tubulars. So next one is the microtubules in nerve cells. They consist of 13 parallel filaments with 50 angstrom unit. Then next one is the hmm, here the next one. Yeah, next one is the microtubules in exopodia of protozoa. Microtubules exopodia, they have located in exopodia of protozoa and in the sperm tails. Then microtubules in the thrombocytes shows 8 to 24 microtubules. Then microtubules in the mitotic spindle, the number varies from 16 to over 5000 in higher plant cells. Then microtubules in sensory cells, in case of insect, the sensory cells shows bundle of microtubules of 300 to 700 microtubules in a cells. So see here the microtubules assembly. In the assembly, the microtubules of cilia and flagella and oxostyles are stable and under the normal condition. They do not break down and reassemble. However, the microtubules of cytoplasm are level and they readily undergo reversible assemble and disassembles. So the example, the poisonous colchicine, which inhibit microtubules assemble because it binds tightly to subunit protein and preventing their polymerization. In dividing, the cell mitosis is blocked at metaphase because of breakdown of the spindle microtubules and the leading to polyploidy. Therefore, colchicine is used to produce polyploidy variety of plants. So therefore, colchicine is used to produce polyploidy variety of plants. So its main function, the microtubules are somewhat rigid and supporting network in the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm, thus they form cytoskeleton and gives the shape of to the cells. So microtubules maintain the shape of axon of nerve cells, exopodia of protozoans, cilia and flagella. So the biconcave shape of RBCs is maintained by microtubules. The next one is the microtubules give axial support of cilia and flagella and thus helps in their movements. And third one is the microtubules act as cell muscles and are involved in cell membrane movement at the time of projection and pseudopodia and endocytosis and the projections and reaction of microvilli. So here the main basic function is the maintain the shape and give axial supports. Then microtubules forms the mitotic apparatus or spindle during the cell division. So their contraction causes the movement of chromosomes towards the opposite pole of the cell. So microtubules and microfilaments which occurs in axon of nerve cells are useful for the transport of protein and the other substances synthesis in the cell body down to axons. So the microtubules forms microcirculatory system for intracellular transport of water and inorganic ions. In the melanocytes pigment, granules are transported by microtubules, so they are also involved in the releasing of insulin from P cells of pancreatic cells, P cells of the pancreatic cells. So it involves in change of shape of cells, or the microtubules also act transducer converting stimuli into nerve impulses. So in cells there are variety of different types of fibril or filamentous structure which are seen only under electron microscope. So the filaments are of two types, namely microfilaments and the large neurofilaments found in the axon of nerve cells. Got it? It's completely microtubules. So once again, it's devised. What is cytoskeleton? Cytoskeleton is a system of filament or fibers that is present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. The other constituent of the cell maintain the cell shape and is responsible for the locomotion of the cell itself and the movement of various organelles within the. There are three main components: microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. So microfilaments, the cytoplasm of the most eukaryotic cells contain two type of very slender fine proteinous thread-like structure called microtubules. Microtubules have the large large diameter, and microfilaments have small diameter. Got it? The structure here, tubulin dimer, lo lo location in the cytoplasm, and its assembly and the function. Thank you. Next lecture on microfilament and